massive.
You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
You know it's your boy Jessie.
And as y'all can see, I got the crown on.
Hey,
birthday girl.
Whitney birthday weekend, y'all.
Yep.
We're gonna be showing y'all everything we're gonna be doing this weekend. We got stuff planned for Friday, which is today. Stuff planned for Saturday. And stuff planned for Sunday. So let's get to it.
Stay tuned.
How you feeling, so baby?
I feel good. I'm trying to. The tiara sit right. Yep.
Yeah. Introduce yourself, Devontae.
That's my brother-in-law.
Shoot myself.
Devontae.
Introduce yourself.
I'm doing my name tag.
That's my sister-in-law.
I'm Lola.
And we out, y'all. We finna go out to dinner because it's my birthday.
It's Mixed Mafia.
Streets, I'm not stopping at no red light. I'm all alone, I'm fit to speed through them green lights. I gotta catch me in this flight before midnight. I ain't gon' cap, I'm young, I'm strong. Yeah, I don't play with guns, I'm holding on. Yeah, I do this shit on my own.
Hey y'all, birthday girl here. Just arrived at the restaurant, waiting for my guests to come. It's looking really cute up in here, guys. Whew. Let me cover my big old bitties up. But yeah, guys, it's like really cute. Look at my tiara. I love my tiara. Say birthday girl.
birthday, dear Whitney. Happy birthday to you. Can't do that here. Happy birthday. There you go. To you. Hey. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday. Hey. Yeah, man. Happy birthday. One. Hey. Keep on forward. Happy birthday. Make a wish. Make a wish.
Hey.
That was terrible. Try again, motherfucker.
Oh, okay. There you go.
There you go.
Oops. I'll start recording. I think I recorded.
Ooh, you are recording.
Put us on y'all YouTube channel.
Period.
Yeah.
We want to be on.
We'll get y'all some fans.
We gonna get y'all some fans.
Look at us. Why not? Look at us. Come on, like.
Period.
Happy birthday, Whitney.
Whitney Houston. You sitting outside right there. Look at Jessie. You can't see you because you in all black.
Let me get her.
No. This just us. It's us. We in our vlog. We on their channel, but we taking over. This is Lola and Tay's channel. Their fans is our fans. They ain't gonna like us because we move the camera too.
Happy birthday, Whitney. We enjoyed the dinner. More than great.
YouTubers.
Oh my god, delete this. Please delete this.
Put us on your channel.
Alright, y'all, day one is down. We had a blast. And it was pretty dope, y'all. That was an expensive bill, though. I don't know if we showed it or not, but that's an expensive bill right there. See that bill? We went to a club called, what is it called, babe? Well, it's more of a, it's not really a club, it's more of a, like a sports bar, kinda. It's called like Del Mar. Del Mar is what it's called. Yep. So Del Mar is what we headed to. We seen the reviews online. Got some good reviews. We seen the food online. Like, got some real good food. So we can go down there and tear it up. Day 2 of Whitney's birthday journey.